Because of the way Google News works, it will absolutely fetch new stories as they break, but the frequency of change depends on the news cycle. Here is how the freshness logic works in your new system. 1. Live RSS ingestion. Every time that timer hits 0, or you click refresh, the script sends a fresh request to Google servers. Breaking news. If a major event happened 5 minutes ago, it will appear at the top of the list immediately after a refresh. Slow news days. If nothing significant has changed in the last hour, Google might return the same list of top 20 stories. However, the order often shifts as different outlets report on the same topic. 2. The purge mechanic. Your script is specifically designed to be anti-duplicate. Inside the PHP, we use array_map, unlink, glob, $audio folder star ***. This means the second you start a refresh, the old audio files and text files are physically deleted from your Ubuntu hard drive. Even if the headline is the same, the script generates a brand new MP3 file with a new timestamp. This prevents your browser from playing an old version of a story that might have been updated with more details. 3. How to maximize new stories. Google News updates its main feed roughly every 15 to 30 minutes. By setting your timer to 60 minutes, you are almost guaranteed to see at least 5 to 10 new headlines every time the page rebuilds itself. Tips for the power user. If you find that you're seeing the same results too often, you can tweak the $RSS URL in your auto.php. To get more local news, change seed equals GBEN to your specific country code. To get more variety, we can revert to the search queries method we used earlier, which forces Google to look for specific keywords like breaking or latest, which tend to rotate faster than the top headlines list. Current status. Your station is currently monitoring the top headlines. Since it's a global feed, the top 1 story might stay there for a few hours if it's a massive global event, but the rest of the list, stories 5 through 100, will rotate constantly throughout the day. Elections 2026 live. Counting underway after votes in England, Scotland, and Wales. US says it has targeted Iranian military facilities after responding to attacks on Navy ships. Keir Starmer urged to plan resignation to avert labor war. Live updates. Trump meets Brazil's President Lula at White House. Senate election. Labour expected to lose Welsh Parliament, sources say. Trump shelved Project Freedom after Saudis refused use of bases and airspace. Local elections 2026 live. Polls close as PM braces for a battering and 1,850 Labour seats at risk. Tiny parasitic wasp named after David Attenborough for his 100th birthday. Andrew wants taxpayer-funded security after confrontation with balaclava-clad man. Malden and Tiptree FC documentary shelved amid police inquiries. Race to find passengers who left hantavirus cruise ship. Vatican stresses need for peace as Rubio meets Pope amid strained relations. Donald Trump's irresponsible war slowing economic momentum, warns German minister. The Trump 11 summit will expose a dysfunctional duo. Chris Packham accuses Shell of profiting from war as earnings jump. Revealed, owner of former WH Smith stores is charging fee to use fictitious family brand. Could your summer flight be cancelled? Here's what to know as jet fuel prices surge. Maersk delivered volume growth across all businesses in Q1. Google joins the screenless fitness tracker arena with the Fitbit Air. Remarkable's new Paper Pure tablet goes back to basics with a monochrome screen. Roundup, all the biggest Xbox reveals from the Naken Connect Showcase 2026. Incredible Manthe taken blows minds, lap times. Bonnie Tyler in induced coma after emergency surgery in Portugal.